2 months on, and the hatchlings emerge into the world. They were laid at the perfect time. Hundreds scramble for the river just as the water starts to rise. Those still to hatch aren't so lucky. This year the heavy rains have returned early. The nesting beach is beginning to flood. Most hatchlings can escape in time. Those still below ground will drown in their nests. For thousands of years, giant river turtles have timed their breeding around the Amazon's reliable cycles of rain. But today, our weather is changing. Disastrous early floods like this used to happen once every 20 years. Now the turtles have to deal with them every 4.